Well, Qiagen's vision is to make improvements in life possible by helping our over 500,000 global customers gain the valuable molecular insights they need to fight disease and advance research.
I think most people know Qiagen really as a life science company, but the company has grown significantly over the past decade and expanded into medical diagnostics to our most recent sample to insight offering with a new next generation sequencing offer. And as a business, we have certain priority areas, and TB is absolutely one of those.
With a disease like tuberculosis, which is now the leading killer within the infectious disease area, insight to TB prevention is more important than ever.
So from a patient perspective, TB can be devastating. Without treatment, half of TB patients will die. And with treatment even, there's still a lot of morbidity associated with damaged lungs and the stigma, the shame, the transmission of TB to others. So prevention of all of that is very important.
Qiagen looks at public health as an important partner in TB for a number of reasons. Firstly, TB is a treatable and preventable disease. And as a company, we believe we have a number of options that can help in that fight to end the TB endemic.
It is of paramount importance that we as a company support public health. We cannot afford not to partner with public health. We have the skills, we have the knowledge, we have the resources. We see the need. We want to do what is best for the public. After all, TB is a matter of public interest. It does affect us all. As a result of our partnership with public health and our support of over 150 contact investigations, partnering with public health, we were recognized by the National TB Controllers Association at their annual meeting in Atlanta in June with the Service Award. So we're proud to be partners with public health.
Our partnership is on a number of levels, whether that be at a laboratory, at a hospital, at TB control or public health or health ministry level. And we do that through a commitment to education around the need for both active and latent TB identification and treatment, as well as through the provision of some of our testing technologies, such as QuantiFERON, the most accurate test for latent TB infection.
QuantiFERON TB is essentially a blood test for diagnosing infection with Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The test is really made up of two different parts. Firstly, specialised blood collection tubes that are used to stimulate interferon gamma production, and then secondly, a detection system, which is an ELISA detecting interferon gamma. Our development processes here at Qiagen really have a strong emphasis on engaging our customers very early in the development process and then continuing to involve them through the life of the product and its development. It's really critical that we engage our customers right throughout the process in order to deliver a product that is suitable for their needs.
Within Qiagen, we're actually set up to support on a number of levels. At a regional level, we invest in market development, which is around not just promoting our products, but also creating the awareness of guidelines and educating the market on the need for screening. At a global level, we support through our global marketing teams and our medical affairs teams to really help drive the awareness and advocacy for the need for screening as well.
So the general ignorance of TB is such a huge issue is we live in a global society. 1/3 of the population is affected and infected by latent tuberculosis. If we're able to test it and treat it before it becomes active, we're able to start eradicating tuberculosis. Physicians, such as primary care physicians, pediatricians, or rheumatologists, are able to use the information that we provide them either at conferences, symposium, webinars, and use that almost immediately with their patients.
To truly impact the burden of TB disease globally, it's important that we identify the vast reservoir of individuals who are infected with latent TB and identify them before they then progress or risk progressing to active disease. And the education around the need for that screening and the prioritisation of those at greatest risk is really an important factor in optimising our efforts to combat the burden of TB.
It's extremely, again, rewarding to be able to educate my colleagues about the importance of public health, of TB elimination, and they're aligned and they are part of the TB elimination team, as well as being able to get leadership and providers on board to the whole TB elimination movement, which includes prevention and finding active cases as early as possible. Qiagen's membership in the union is very important because the union is a membership organization. And what that means is that it includes not only public and private, but industry as well into the partnership, really recognizing that it takes a village, it takes all of us to eliminate TB. We can't do it alone. Together, we all need to, we must, in partnership, eliminate tuberculosis.
Let's end TB.